Recording? Brian, you're gonna hit multiple targets. You got about 10-second frame before it starts actually moving. Brian. Or you
I didn't know you're ready.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
It's a good thing I pointed the camera down.
Did it get it?
I think so.
I didn't know Brian was already ready to drop it.
Me either. So Brian, how you think that went?
Fine. Hopefully.
Fine.
That's how you properly destroy a fan.
You broke the metal and the plastic thing around the whole motor.
That felt pretty good.
I don't know what I'm recording.
Record that right there. I'm gonna throw it over there. I said point it right there.
Where am I pointing?
It's gonna land about over there somewhere.
I'm gonna try to get it going with it.
Hey Dylan, put it upright. Give me that block.
Should we attempt to plug it?
I'm gonna crush it again. Except it's gonna be standing upright.
Upright on the side.
Let's make him out of it.
Just turn it on.
Get up there, big boy. No, you aren't.
I didn't carry it up there, I just put it up. Damn.
He's just recording the
Of
whole
course
thing.
you would put.
Look at this quality, Dylan.
Through here.
Brian has a big rip in his pants. Did that just happen?
No, that's been there. Well, I think that might have done it. Get up close to it.
Faster. I think that is.
I don't know. Everything's in pieces. Oh yeah, is the handle broke? I think that was the only thing I was going to try saving out of it.
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh. Dang.
Well, if that's capacitor, you might want to save that too. See what volt it is and everything, right?
Alright, so far you got yourself a 6-hour upload.
Well, pause it.
Pause it.